What's up, tech fam? Welcome to today's tech roundup. I'm bringing you today's big stories. Apple just dropped everything at WWDC 2026. Canada is banning kids from social media, and stablecoins are quietly taking over cross-border payments in Africa. This is your tech news. Let's go. Apple's WWDC 2026 was all about AI. The big reveal, a completely rebuilt Siri. The new Siri AI can understand natural requests, keep context across conversations, and now has its own standalone app. Apple also launched iOS 27, macOS 27, codenamed Golden Gate, plus updates across iPad, Watch, and Vision Pro. They also tightened parental controls with child accounts now mandatory for users under 13. Apple's finally catching up, and this one's personal for iPhone users. Canada just introduced the Safe Social Media Act, a bill that bans anyone under 16 from having a social media account on platforms like Meta and X. Companies that don't comply could face fines of 3% of global revenue or up to 10 million Canadian dollars. Canada joins Australia, Indonesia, and Malaysia in this wave. Now, the big question is, will it actually work? Flutterwave, Africa's largest payment startup, has partnered with Tempo, a Stripe-backed blockchain, to power stablecoin settlements across its Send app and business platforms. Separately, Nala secured a $50 million credit line for its stablecoin payment network, and InterSwitch has entered a strategic partnership with banking tech provider Temenos to strengthen digital banking services across Africa. Stablecoins are no longer a trend. They're becoming infrastructure. And that's your tech news for today. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We'll see you in the next one.